So this is the PlayStation 5 digital version, meaning that it's disc-free console, doesn't have a disc drive. This is going to be the God of War Ragnarok bundle edition. So let's go ahead and look to see what we get inside. Let's take a look here. So this is going to allow us to do 8K, 4K, 120, HDR. So the very first thing that we get inside of the box is going to be the controller. This is going to be the PS5 controller. Feels amazing already. So this is going to have the haptic feedback. It has the adaptive triggers and then also the 3D audio technology. So this is going to be great. Feels really smooth. Buttons feel good as well. So this is going to be the PS5 controller. You can see there, just went ahead and powered it on. Probably needs to be connected to the actual console. So that's going to be the controller, and we'll come back to that here in just a few moments. So let's go ahead and take a look to see what else we have here inside of the box. So of course, you're going to have your power supply. You're going to have your manuals. So this is going to be the PS5 manual, different languages. So it does come with a charging cable for the remote included inside of the box that you're able to charge the remote with. So that's going to be there. And then this is going to be the base for the PlayStation 5. So with the base, it gives you the ability to be able to go ahead and position the PS5 either in a vertical or horizontal. This is going to give you the HDMI cable. This is going to be an HDMI 2.0. Super important to use the cable that came with the PlayStation 5 to get the best experience from it. And then of course, that should lead us to the ending portion, which is going to be the actual console itself. So it's definitely large, that is for sure. So this is the actual console. It's pretty massive. Hey, looks good. Quality. There's the PlayStation logo. So in the back here, what we're going to have is going to be the HDMI, the power, and then the USB ports there as well. You can plug in the controller. And then also here in the front, some additional ports. And then this is going to be your power supply. Overall, feels nice. Depending on your space, this is where you're able to utilize the stand to be able to either have it be vertical, or you can go ahead and have it sit, allowing you to be able to have it now in a horizontal format. Now, it's very important that the game God of War Ragnarok is actually going to be a code. You're going to get a paper just like this. It's going to go ahead and give you the actual code for you to be able to digitally download the actual. So this is the PS5. It's going to give you ray tracing, TV gaming, up to 120 frames per second with 120 hertz output, HDR technology. It also has backwards compatibility and game booth. So that means that the PS5 console can play over 4,000 PS4 games, allowing you to be able to enjoy some of the games that you had in the past. So that is going to be the PlayStation 5 God of War Ragnarok Bundle Edition.